Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In this class, we'll discuss how we can customize quick access toolbar. So guys, already I have mentioned about quick access toolbar. Now, if you want to add more commands in the quick access toolbar, you can just click on this drop down and whichever command if you feel is relevant that very frequently you need to send the Excel. Okay, for that you can just add a email, or if you want to take printout. Okay, so why you want to press Control P and select print and all? You just click on quick print. So everything you can add here in quick access toolbar. If you want to add more command, just click on more command, and then you can go to quick access toolbar. Whichever command you feel is relevant, you can simply add it from here. Okay, you can add it from here, whichever you feel is relevant. The list is not limited. Like imagine if I go to all commands, choose command from here. So popular command, I change to all command. And there, if you want, I can even choose one command called speak cell. Okay, so what the speak cell will do? So whatever you write, if you click on speak cell, it will speak the same thing. Okay, so you can just explore that. Okay, speak cell. 1 minute. So SP, so P will come after H. So you can come here, speak cell, SPE, speak cell. Okay, just add it here. Okay, if you press OK, now you have speak cell. So if I write anything here, okay, I just wrote my name, Amit Kumar Singh. Okay, now if I put my cursor there and if I click on speak cell, it will tell my name. Now while recording, if I do this, you may not able to hear this. You can try it by yourself. Okay, so I hope you understood what is quick access toolbar. Whichever command if you feel is very relevant for you, maybe like under formula, this command auto sum is very relevant for me. So you add it under quick access toolbar. So it would be here. So imagine some entries are written. Okay, like I'll just show you some entries. Maybe like I'll write some random number. Okay, between 100 to 2000, some random number I just wrote. Okay, this is a formula called rand between. Press function F2, you can see the formula. Control C. Okay, so control V. So it has generated random number between 100 to 2000. Now, once I copied and pasted this, so the problem with the random number is that they'll keep change. Okay, like they'll keep changing. So once you get this, so if you want, you can remove this formula. How will you remove the formula? Control C. Okay, first copy that, Control C, and then what you do, go to home and then paste value. If you do that, formula will get removed. Okay, anyway, so I'll just show you here shortcut key, select everything, Control C, shortcut key is Alt ESV. So Alt ESV, now formula got removed. Now imagine if I need auto sum. So I just click here. So press enter, the sum is done. The shortcut key for auto sum is Alt equal to. Right. So I hope you understood. So here, this is about quick access toolbar. If you want shortcut key for this, going toward quick access toolbar, like you can do through more command, or the other way, what is that? Alt FT. Okay, this will open Excel options in that quick access toolbar. Whatever you feel is relevant, you add it here. Okay, so for the time being, I just reset all my customization. Fine. I hope guys you enjoyed this session. Thank you.